In this video,
we will learn how to fix matchmaking error in Fortnite.
in order to fix matchmaking error in Fortnite, firstly make sure that you don't have any custom key set up in your Fortnite game. To check it out, firstly scroll down until you go to the game selection tab. From the bottom right hand side, click on custom keys and make sure there is no key enabled in here. After removing the key, press on the accept button and the custom key will be removed. Furthermore, head to your profile section from the top right hand side of your screen, left click on it, then click on the gear button to go to the settings menu. From here you need to go to the game tab. From here you'll find the language and region section. Make sure that your matchmaking region is set to the region you live in, and if you do not have any server in your region, make sure you set it to the lowest ping possible from your area and do not set it to auto. After that, click on apply and OK. Now all you need to do is click on the profile picture again, exit the game and restart. After you have restarted the game, click on the play button and your matchmaking procedures should start without any errors. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.